is Ravi Kiran, and today our topic is few commands how to verify on the machine. These commands is helpful for system administrator. So let's start. Okay, and first of all, I want to verify PowerShell version. So to check the PowerShell version, we can type get hyphen host. We'll get the PowerShell version. Now the PowerShell version is 4.0. So this is the command to verify the PowerShell. And suppose we want to verify how many patches has been installed on this machine, we can verify with the command get hyphen hotfix. This command will display all the patches, how many patches has been installed, security update and critical updates. All the patches will be displayed with the name, kb article, and date and time also. Okay, date and time. Okay, and so it's installed by, with the name also it will display like this. Okay, with this command you can verify a lot of information. You can verify individual patch also. Before that you can type simply man space get hotfix. It will show the display information like get the hotfix that have been applied to the local or remote computer. You can verify with the get hyphen hotfix. So in some scenarios, like few individually you need to verify, like most of the patches is not required to verify. So that time we'll do one thing. We can type get hyphen hotfix hyphen id if you want to verify id, and kb kb, and you can type any number, whether if it is there or not. It will search in the, okay, this patch is not available. We'll do one thing, we'll verify this one, copy and up arrow and paste it. So it will verify in the database and it will display the individual patch. Okay, source is the system name and description is update, hotfix id is kb article, and installed by NT authority system, and install on date. So date and time will be displayed. This is the command. Okay, and let's go to another command, and get hyphen location. It will show the path of the location, so in which location your session is there. Suppose if I am going out, if I type get hyphen, it will show the C drive. If I want to go another folder, if you want to go real tech, sorry, the C letter is okay. See, now if I see I am getting more. So if I type get hyphen location, on which location I am there, it will show the location of the path. This command also is important in the PowerShell scripting. You can get the location, the file. So if you want to import or from the any of the file, you can get the location of the file. This is useful. In the next coming videos I'll show you. And another one, get hyphen ps drive. PS drive, this command is useful to display all the system information, like drives, capacity, usage, and how much is used and how much is free. And it will show the root information like C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive, G drive, H drive, like that it will show you. And it will show your registry entry also. It's a HKLM and HKCU computer user, and it's showing a variable and development. This command is useful. If you want to verify, you can verify with man ps drive. It will show you the get the drives in the current session, so which session is existing. If you map any home folders or anything, it will display you from where it is getting. and you can examples also. Okay, get ps drive, it will show the name and provider and root. So if you want to go to get-d means d information will be displayed. This command also is useful in getting the space of drives. If you want to get a multiple servers drive capacity information, get-ps drive command is useful to get the fetch the details from local and remote pieces. Okay, and you can find multiple examples there. You can verify with the drive letter or ps provider. Okay, and like that we have a lot of examples. This ps drive, I think almost we have 5 examples, so we can get the file system and everything, so it will display all the information. And next command is get hyphen process. This command is shows all the process running on this machine, so it will show you PID and WS, PM, NPM, everything. So you can, if you want to verify with a particular name, you can verify. And I want to verify with the star W, so it ends with W, so it's showing 1. If you type this W star, it will show starting letter with the W. All the services which are running with the W, it will display. Like this, we have another command that is a useful command. We can verify on a daily basis. Get service. If you click this one, which services are running and stop state, you can verify this one. If you want to get the status of the letters with the naming convention, it will show with the display, and all are there starting with W. If you want to type A and star, it will show the services running with A, status is running on stop, everything will be displayed. And if you want to verify with get hyphen member, you will get a parameters like this. Okay, and this is okay. If you want to verify dollar get hyphen service, so if you type dollar, it will show all the services. And if you type get hyphen member, it will show you properties and methods of this. Okay, if you want to verify with the start running string, you can verify like status, all the started services and everything, it will be displayed like this. With the display you can verify, and display name, it will show all the display names like this. These are the parameters for properties and methods to get the information from get-member command. Okay, if you like this video, please click on like button and share button, and thanks for watching, and please click on bell icon so that if I upload next video you can get alert, so that you can watch my video. Thanks for watching once again. Have a nice day. Bye.